Hi, we are Mike and Donna, and we would like to invite you to join us on our Greek island cruise. On this trip, we travel with our good friends Sarah and Tom on Celebrity Reflections. Our 11-night cruise takes us to some beautiful ports, but prior to boarding, we enjoyed 2 wonderful nights in Rome. So come along with us and enjoy our travels. Okay, turf off day. Lots of people already heading down to collect their luggage and leave. We'll be going down soon, so it's going to go and have some breakfast because we've not got a flight until later today. The sun's just coming up. Bad point about cruising is you get off at ungodly hours. Good point about cruising is it's great fun. It's really great fun. So, from us on our Celebrity Reflections, we're signing off now. See you on the way home. Lots of cruise ships in this morning. Costa. Can't tell which one is at the very front, but you've got your Royal Caribbean Odyssey of the Seas, and you've got MSC Splendida. Oh, and then the Queen Elizabeth, one of Cunard's. All doing the same thing, turfing off and picking up. Lots of people here today. We're just going to have breakfast. It's definitely gone cooler. Okay, folks, we're in the airport. Not quite cruise food, but still looks yummy.
Ketchup.
What do you reckon, babe? Looking good?
Yeah. And
See you in a minute. Oh, we're waiting for our beers. Where's our beers? Okay, folks, I'm sure you really don't want to see too much of an airport. But it's so pretty.
It's a pretty
Look.
airport, yeah.
Look at the ceiling. Wow. It's nice. We have just had some chicken and chips.
Yeah, on a version of it.
And I had some cheesecake with simply just Nutella on top. And it was scrummy. Yeah, so definitely away from the cruise. No nice foods, but this was really quite tasty considering. Oh, is it? Oh yeah, well I'm quite a fan of Nutella. Oh my goodness, look at the salads in the bucket over there. It's a really nice airport.
waiting for... Oh, I watched it right. It's 1924. What happened in 1924?
Oh, don't start with your dates.
Oh, right, okay. Oh.
We're heading to Manchester after this, waiting for our flight.
We've got a 3-hour layover now. We've got about 3 hours for our next flight. We get into Manchester at about 11:20. Pick our bags up, go to the airport, and then sleep for 6 hours, or 5.5 hours. Get up and run over to the airport. We might be having breakfast in Ramsey.
That's fine. That's fair enough. Okay, we are just having something to eat in.
Giraffe, is it?
Yeah, giraffe.
Ah.
Sorry, sweet. It's a fiasco trying to get through security here. Sorry. At least you can see things now. Well, folks, it's the final leg of the journey. It's what time?
It is now 6:20.
6:20 in the morning, and we are absolutely shattered. Got to the hotel late last night,
Yeah.
and now we're heading out. On our last leg. One little flip, and then we're home.
Is the breakfast open? No, it's not.
It opens at 5, it should be open.
Yeah, it should be. It's a hotel.
We've stayed at the Clayton, and I'm sorry we didn't film it last night because by the time we actually got to the room and got to bed, it was about 5 to 1, if not later. Mike's in a rush.
Yeah, you take time, babe. I'll sit down and
Hey, I've got swollen feet, swollen knees.
Okay.
Alright. We stayed here at the beginning, so it's only fitting that our journey should end here. There you go. The way out. Well, folks, let you know when we get to the airport. Well, it's taken us ages to get through at Manchester Airport, the security section. I'm cranky, I'm tired, my feet and legs are swollen. I want to go to bed. Mike's just gone to order us a cup of coffee, so I don't feel like I have to kill people. So, orange juice, cup of coffee and a piece of toast. And I hope I'll feel a bit better, a bit more human. But God, the rules change and security so much from, God, we flew out 10, 11 days ago and they've completely changed in 11 days. So, very frustrating when you're tired. Being a bit of a grump. No, being a total grump, being honest. Right, so we're in Manchester Airport. Let's just show you behind me. So, we're at the point where we started the holiday, but we're about down to 2 of us. Sarah and Tom got home last night, and we're just doing the final leg now. So, I think I'm going to sleep for about 4 hours when I get home. See you later, folks.
Mushrooms, you eat the tomatoes, there's 2 sausages, 2 bacon, 3 pancakes. Okay? Just make do. I don't fancy much, to be honest with you. I'll probably eat a pancake. Oh, there's black pudding. I'll eat black pudding.
Ah, yeah, of course you will. So we're halfway to making me more human now. Orange juice and a cup of coffee. How are you feeling?
I'm alright. Don't begrudge me that one.
I'm not begrudging you that one.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
The London Air flight at 8, I think it's at 8:40 to take off to the island, and we are shattered.
Last leg then. Got past my grumps. Had my cup of coffee. Don't look at his face. Have my cup of coffee.
And we're on our way. Just waiting for the rest of the people to get on the flight, and then we can go
Yeah.
to the puppies and all of that.
Yeah. Going to see the puppies, going to see my little man.
I'm looking forward to our next cruising adventure in about 12 months' time.
Yeah, but we will be caravanning before then.
Say nothing.
No
I'm
commitment.
shattered and just want to go to sleep, so I'll say goodbye for now. Don't want to keep talking. Hey, no, go for it.
Donna doesn't want to keep talking, so speak to you later.
Bye-bye.
What are you?
No prizes for getting in that one.